In this video, I'll cover my second assignment for medical robotics and systems. There are going to be two parts to this project. The first one is to be able to move the end effector of robot's arm in X, Y, and Z axis in both negative and positive direction. And the second part is to load a stack of MRI slices and scroll through the slices using a potentiometer. An Arduino Uno microcontroller and Matlab software were used to complete the assignment, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it and show you how it works. It's asking for a degree of freedom. I'm gonna go ahead and put 4. Okay, so this is how my graphic user interface looks like in Matlab. I'm gonna go ahead and create the robot now, and here's the default position for the robot. Let's go ahead and connect to hardware so that we'll be able to move the end effector using the hardware, and it's attempting connection. In the meantime, I can show you my hardware connection here. So I have hardware push buttons, X direction, Y direction, Z direction. There's a little one here to indicate positive or negative direction, and this is to stop the operation. And there is analog input, potentiometer to scroll through MRI slices. There are also digital output LEDs for X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and to stop the operation. And also to start the operation, to start and stop the operation for this MRI part. And the Arduino Uno is there, and you can see the light is on. That means we can go ahead and start the movement of the end effector. So here I'm pushing the X, and the LED turns on for that specific axis, and I'm moving the robot. You can see it's moving in the X, and now I want to change it so that it moves to negative direction, and you can see it. And now I'm going to change, I'm moving to Y axis. You can see another light is on, the other will be off. So now Y axis is active. Let's move it Y. It's moving. Now we're going to change it to go to negative direction, and here it is. And third one is Z axis. You can see another light is on, the others are off. Now I'll move the robot end effector in the Z direction. You can see it going up toward the positive, and pressing that little button so that the robot start moving toward negative. Okay, so I'm happy, I'm satisfied with the X, Y, and Z axis movements, and I can go ahead and stop the operation. When I press this, red LED turns on saying that operation has stopped, and all the X, Y, and Z lights will be off, and you can also see the robot is now at its default position. Okay, now moving on. So the first part is done. I'm gonna go ahead and load the MRI. It's now again attempting to connect to the hardware, because we will need to scroll the potentiometer to be able to see each slices. So you can see now it's loaded. Right now, potentiometer value is at 0. That means we are on the first slice of the image. Now if I move it, if I scroll it, I'm going through each slices, as you can see. And okay, now the potentiometer is now at its last value, and that's our last slice. Okay, so now if I'm done with that, and image processing was visible as we scroll through for each slice. We were also able to see image processing, intensity profile, edge detected image, and sharpened image of the original image up there. Okay, now if this is stop, if I press the stop, the light turns off. And if we even move the potentiometer, it won't give us another slice. That's saying that the operation has stopped, similar to what happened to the robot part. Okay, so that was my assignment, and this is the complete GUI. And thanks for watching.